One of my favorite parts of being a student here is they see you as a human being, not as a number. I think that is something very unique and has opened many doors to me. Oi, meu nome é Felipe, eu tô indo pro meu segundo ano de teatro musical e eu sou do Brasil. The program I'm in is music theater performance here at St. Lawrence College. There's always something to do. There are lots of festivals happening around town. There's lots of history. There's the Brockville Tunnel, the river view. It's so beautiful, it's stunning. Because it is a small town, it's like a big family. Everybody's super friendly, all the professors are super kind. It's very different than studying in a big cosmopolitan city. We got to audition for professional companies around Brockville and the region. So that was a huge opportunity to connect and do like networking and get to know writers and producers. If an international student is considering to come to St. Lawrence College, I would totally say go for it.